The benefits I
are
received as a result of the 4 stages of coaching are structure. I am that person that needs structure in her life. So following a process makes it ideal for me to coach and to overcome those objections.
Definitely a process. Structure is something that I can always improve on. Having this process in place is just something I call it dummy notes. You've done it for me. All I got to do is look down and read. So I like my dummy notes.
As I look back at my journey in the 4 stages of coaching, I am most proud of myself because I took this course. I took the time to sit back and analyze where I am and how I'm going to continue to support the sales team. It has been a long time since I've looked at myself and there's things I need to work on. I've been in this business for 30 years and, I thought I knew it all.
A warrior story that I want to share is that my one employee had several cancellations due to the uncertainties of building. So we had a couple of cancellations in regards to building because of the uncertainty in pricing, and they just weren't able to wrap their mind around what was going on with lumber and stuff. So we talked about his beliefs and we did the 3 questions, and he secured the clients into move-in ready homes, which I thought, oh my goodness, we didn't lose the customers completely. We lost the build, but we sold the spec. So to me, that was a huge accomplishment and a huge warrior story that I could coach him through that.
I can say that I can look at myself and say, you know what, I learn things every day. And I'm proud of this achievement because it allowed me to understand where my strengths lie and where there's an opportunity for improvement.
A sales warrior is a protector. It's a protector to go find the people they can find that are on the fence in the area that they're serving. And it's to remove the fenceness problem, the ambiguity that's death, so they can be free of that problem so they can go on and deal with other problems.